Hey, welcome to another one of my vlogs, and this was a Saturday vlog. Myself and the little, we got up, we headed to the park for some sunshine and some relaxation. After that, we went to the grocery store and I'm gonna do a little haul. I've never done this before, so I went to Aldi and I went to Dollar Tree. So I got some bananas, I got some strawberries, I got some blueberries, I got some grapes. I'm having a hardest time finding grapes with seeds. Lemons, another bag of lemons because we go through a lot of lemons around here. Some popcorn to go in my son's book bag for his snacks. Oh, from Dollar Tree I got 2 new cookie sheets and this kneeler for the gardening and stuff that I got coming up. My peppermint tea, spinach, cheese to go in the quesadillas that I make for my son with these 0-calorie wraps. Those, of course, are from Aldi. Green beans, Brussels sprouts, some Oreo cookies to go in my son's lunch for snack, a juice for him, another juice for him. He picked those out himself. 2 bags of organic apples. Oh, some peanut butter. 2 things of these Capri Suns. Ooh, applesauce. A bag of barbecue wings to just throw in the stove for when I don't feel like cooking. Oranges. Another bag of oranges. We go through a lot of those. Some garlic. 2 mangoes. I already got 2 that I can go ahead and eat now because those are ripe. Those are not as ripe. Another thing of applesauce. A bag of onions, some cauliflower, some water catchers for my plants that I have on the floor all around the house and in different areas. And oh, from Dollar Tree, I also got these. I got 3 of them. They go underneath your planters and they roll. Like, I didn't know they had those. I was so impressed. And then I got a couple of pair of gardening gloves because I know I'm going to go through them when I'm setting up the garden. You know, when you first set it up, it's always a lot. Another one of these iPad things. I love those things. And when they stop working right, I just get a new one. Oh, I got a bunch of seeds. These are freesia seeds. Freesia is one of my favorite, like, perfume notes. I love freesia. This is ranunculus. Some more freesia because I love the smell. Some starters so I can start my some of my seeds. Some Ziploc bags, chapsticks, cocoa cores to go on my fence, on my gate. Oh, and I got some more seeds. And I said I got chapsticks, right? Chapsticks. I got a bunch of those. Some hand soap, regular old hand soap. Make sure the hands are clean. And of course, you saw I got 2 of these to go with the ones that I already had. All right, y'all. That's all. Bobby pins for this hair. Chicken breast, the never any kind with no antibiotics, blah, 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 cage free. Yeah. After our trip to the park and all of the running errands, I had some leftover fried rice with avocado and chicken in it. And we kicked back and chilled out for the rest of the day and what was left of it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and please share with a friend. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.